Apple cider vinegar is one of the most common remedies people use to relieve their ailments. It's an incredible gift of nature, and we give you some great ways of using it. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Frizz-free hair. Frizzy hair may be a result of pH imbalances. Rinse it with apple cider vinegar solution to make it smooth and frizz-free. 2. Bad breath. Apple cider vinegar has an antiseptic effect. Gargle apple cider vinegar after brushing your teeth to get rid of dangerous bacteria and plaque. 3. Blemishes. Apple cider vinegar balances the pH levels in your skin and regulates the production of natural oils. Use it to relieve any pain, swelling, and redness. Apple the vinegar on your skin using cotton pads. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse. 4. Deodorant. It neutralizes bad odors caused by bacteria. Dilute it with water and spray your armpits. It doesn't leave unpleasant smells. 5. Skin irritation. Add a cup of this vinegar to your hot bath to soothe your skin, regardless of whether you deal with bug bites, jellyfish stings, poison ivy rashes, sunburn, or any other irritation. 6. Cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar increases the production of bile and optimizes the function of your liver. Use it regularly to lower your cholesterol. 7. Sore throat. Gargle apple cider vinegar to soothe your throat and kill dangerous bacteria. Don't forget to consult your doctor. 8. Intestinal health. Apple cider vinegar contains probiotics and enzymes. It's as effective as kombucha and yogurt, and you can use it to enhance digestion, treat acid reflux, and improve your overall health. 9. Yeast infection. You can use it topically, internally, or vaginally. Don't forget to dilute it first. 10. Blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar has an anti-glycemic effect, and it regulates blood sugar. Use it regularly to block the digestion of starches and prevent blood sugar spikes. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before bedtime to lower your blood sugar levels. 11. Nutrient absorption. Acetic acid improves your body's ability to absorb nutrients. Add apple cider vinegar to your salads. It's the easiest way to use it. 12. Hiccups. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to stop the hiccups. 13. pH balance. Apple cider vinegar balances the pH values in your body. 14. Cleanse your liver. Use apple cider vinegar regularly to improve your lymphatic system and get rid of toxins. This vinegar will cleanse your body of pollutants. 15. Belly fat. Apple cider vinegar will shut down your cravings and will help you maintain a healthy weight. 16. Premature aging. It is rich in antioxidants, and these make you look and feel young. 17. Free radicals. Free radicals cause emphysema, immune diseases, arthritis, and similar health problems. It destroys free radicals and prevents damage. 18. Joint pain. Add apple cider vinegar to your bath to relieve joint pain, especially if you deal with gout, tendinitis, or osteoarthritis. 19. Whiten teeth. Gargle apple cider vinegar or brush your teeth with it. That's all. 20. Mood. Apple cider vinegar can help you deal with anxiety. It improves mood and breaks down amino acids which lead to increased production of serotonin. 21. Acid reflux. Take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to relieve your acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar is an incredibly versatile ingredient, and you can use it for almost anything. Some say it works great in those dealing with dandruff, too. Try this natural remedy and relieve your health problems naturally. Always use organic, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Make sure it has the mother in it. If you can't find the real stuff, learn how to make your own. All you need is some crushed apples and patience.